Good morning, everyone. Today, on the occasion of National Sports Day, I would like to throw some light over the topic fitness and wellness through sports. Fitness and wellness, though a dominant practice of present scenario, but when we think about it rationally, then we find out its roots lie in Vedic era. At that time, too, great importance was given to fitness and wellness, which was derived from the practice of yoga. It was considered that the basis of all life's underwear is swasthya. Hence, a sound body is the epitome of perfect health, which is the prerequisite for the attainment of spirituality. Even the entire lifestyle in ancient India aimed at the achievement of physical, mental, spiritual, economic, and social well being to be enjoyed over 100 autumns, that is, Jivem Shraddha Shatam. Means, let us live for a full 100 years, was the Vedic prayer chanted by everyone. Hence, it is true that our body achieves what the mind believes. As we are hearing from a long time, that health is wealth, fitness is the only treasure of our body. But this time, there is a need to prove the essence of these proverbs. In real sense, fitness is the only attribute to our life. Fitness is the process of improving our quality of life through holistic practices, which treats us as a whole, that is, mind, body, and soul. Seeking wellness puts us on the path to health in every area physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and socially. Someone has truly said that exercise not only change our body, it also change our mind, attitude, and mood. As we are well known to the fact that a sedentary lifestyle is associated with higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and earlier death. Fit body oxygenate for fighting disease, enhancing posture, and raise endurance. So, embrace and love your body. It is the most amazing thing you will ever own. Greg Anderson quoted as, wellness is the complete integration of body, mind, and spirit. The realization that everything we do, think, feel, and behave has an effect in our state of well being. These days, we find an exposure of fitness, immunity, well being, etc. on the media, but we never think about the idea behind the concepts hidden. All this can be attained by fitness and wellness. Even Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan also initiated different programs such as SVSV, Fitness, FitKVN to promote sports activities among students. SVSV, Swasth Bachche Swasth Bharat program is an initiative of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to prepare physical health and fitness profile of the students. The program provided a comprehensive as inclusive report card for children covering all age group and made students, teachers and parents aware about the importance of good health and fitness. To encourage 60 minutes of play each day was the main objective of the program. It intends to imbibe values of Olympics and Paralympics among students, bring back the childhood amongst children, and make physical activity and recreational games an integral part of learning process, motivated potential of outstanding performance in various games and sports of excellence. In order to promote the same, a new app FitKVN has been introduced to assess the fitness levels and health profile of KVS students. The FitKVN app has over 40 individual tests, including those for fundamental movements skills that are listed under locomotor skills, manipulative skills, and body management skills. The app will enable the school to conduct fitness assessment and view the fitness report of every child over a certain time period. Although there are a lot of platforms to get motivated, but it's your time to take an initiative for the betterment of your fitness and well-being. Here I would like to conclude with the quoted words of Jim Rohn. Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live. So thank you very much and happy National Sports Day.